Okay, what we're going to do here is we're going to use this lever down here to lift up the propeller, to lift up the propeller hub, and see if that shaft moves inside that strut. Okay, lift it, see what's going on. Can you see it moving, guys? I know it's an infinite movement. Infinite's not the right word. Very small movement, but I think that cutlass needs to be replaced. The way to replace it is to take the propeller off, take off the spurs line cutters, then they will use a hydraulic press that goes inside here, and then the hydraulic press will press it out the back. Then the hydraulic press will press the new one back in, and then we'll put everything back together. So that's the way you take care of a cutlass aboard your boat with the strut. And by the way, this is called a V-strut. It's not an I-strut, it's a V-strut. And this shaft is so large, it's a two-part shaft. You can see a shaft coupling right here for shaft 1, shaft 2, and then this is an I-strut, and that I-strut is also known as an intermediate strut because the shaft goes all the way up here inside the engine room and then couples up to the transmission on the back of the engine. So I'll spin around and you can see how long this shaft truly is, and that's why this shaft is a two-part shaft with an intermediate strut to support it. So I feel that we need to have that aft cutlass bearing replaced, and as long as we're doing that work, I think we should also investigate that one as well. And this is only on the starboard side. Now we need to go look at the port side. Hang on.